Let's stop it here. Let us leave it. Now I'll explain it, okay? Right, let's see basic operations and numbers part 4, right? Now we are discussing. Right, a simple mathematical operation in each number of the sequence 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32 and so on results in a sequence with respect to two prime numbers. This is a series. That series is with respect to prime numbers. So it's at 2020. Which one of the following is the next number in the sequence? Okay. Observe the numbers here. The prime numbers here are 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Can I say these are the consecutive prime numbers? Yes, the next prime number is 37. The next number, next means answer will be how much? 30. So answer is C. So it is C. What is the sum of the first 28 terms in the following sequence? Okay, this is a question in 2024 CSET. Okay. First you have to identify the series. If you can identify the series, there ends the game. Okay. So if you understand, first is 1, next 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you understand that? Yes or no? This is what you have to identify first. In the first part, you got only one number. Second part, you got only two numbers. Third part, you got only three numbers, and so on. If you know how many series you will get, means I am taking this is one series, another series, another series, another series, and so on. How many series if you know, then you can do the problem, right or wrong? First series has how many numbers? Second series has, third series has, and so on, right or wrong? These are nothing but sum of first and natural numbers, right or wrong? N into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, how many terms he gave? Move the to this side, it will be 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56, right or wrong? So 7 8s are 56 means what I can say is, okay, what I can say is, how many series we have? 7 series. How many series we have? 7 series, right? Okay, now what we have to say is, first series the sum is how much here? Second series, third series it is 6. Fourth series it is, malli mottam add cheyakandi. 1, 2, 3, 4 is added na, extra. 5 will be added na. Got it? Okay, how many series is completed? 5 series. Next series means 6 added. Next series means 7 added. Now we have to add all these numbers. Got it? So 28 plus 21, 49 plus 15, 60, 49 plus 15, yeah, 64, plus 10, plus 6, 84. So answer is B. Identifying the pattern is important here. Okay. But can I go to the next one? అనుకోకూడదని ఏం లేదు. Problem is, can I erase this? Clear now? Okay. So 1, 2, leave it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? It does not follow a pattern. 28 numbers he is saying, na, you are unable to write it. అర్థమైంది నేను చెప్పింది. So 2 numbers if you separate, 1 plus 2 is 3, okay. Its sum is means 6, okay. Its sum is 10, okay. You have to write everything, right? Do you understand my point here? Okay. This is to the 19 year. Okay, next one. If the numerator and denominator of a proper fraction are increased by the same positive quantity which is greater than 0, the resulting fraction is always. Okay, here you are adding the numerator and denominator with the same number, right? Suppose I have 1 and 2. Proper fraction only, right? Proper means numerator is less than denominator. For both I am adding 1. It will be how much here? Which is greater? 1 by 2 is 0.5 here. 2 by 3 means 0.66. Means the resulting number is always greater than the original one. Yes or no? So always less than the original fraction, wrong one. Always greater than the original fraction. So answer is B. Am I clear, all of you? Am I clear, all of you? The letters M and L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T in their orders are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9, but not necessarily in that order. Simply speaking, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, 9 digits are there, na? You are assigning numbers 1 to 9, but not in the same order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 is assigned to P. Okay, fix. The difference between P and T is 5. P and T is how much here? Difference means either greater or lesser, right or wrong? But this side 5 gap is not possible, right? Then undoubtedly it should be 5 gap this side. Means can I say this is T? Okay. The difference between P and T is 5. Okay. The difference between N and T is 3. T. This is no more, right? This side. 1, 2, 3 means this is N. Yes or no? Yes. The game is over. What is the integer assigned to N? Very tough question. You are badly missing in the examination. Already given in 2014. No, not 19 year, it is 2014. Here this is CSAT 2013. 4 friends A, B, C and D distribute some money among themselves in such a manner that A gets 1 less than B and C gets 5 more than D, D gets 3 more than B. Who gets the smallest amount? Here A, B, C, D is there, na? Who gets the smallest? Right or wrong? A gets 1 less than B, means B is not the least. C gets 5 more than D, so D is not the least. D gets 3 more than B. Okay. So who is the smallest? Means in these two you have to verify, right or wrong? Okay, good. Now A gets 1 more than B, right? A is equals to B plus 1. Okay, C is equals to D plus 5. B minus 1 less than, na? C gets D plus 5, right? D gets 3 more than B. No, reverse is no. C gets 5 more than D. So C will not be the greater, right? Least, right? So undoubtedly answer will be. So it is. You don't need to go with this one also. Okay. Can I go to the next one? Yeah, this is CSAT 2013. Okay. All right. There are some balls of red, green and yellow colors lying on a table. There are as many red balls as there are yellow balls. Means red and yellow are equal. There are twice as many yellow balls as there are green balls. Twice as many yellow balls as there are green. Yellow is equal to 2 times of green. Okay. The number of red are equal to 2 times of green only, right? Okay. Is equal to sum of yellow and green. Yes or no? Yellow and green. No. Red is equal to yellow only. Yellow plus green it is not. So first one is not. Double the number of green marbles. 10th class question. Given in CSAT. Once upon a time. You are feeling that time why I have not written the exam. Yeah, have you done it? CSAT 2014. Okay. Here, look at the board. A straight line segment is 36 centimeter long. 36 centimeters long. Okay. Points are to be marked on the line from both the ends. Means from left to right and right to left. Okay. So one that side, from another is this side. Okay. Yeah, from each end, the first point is at a distance of 1 centimeter from the end. The second is at 2 centimeters and the 2 centimeter from the first point, and the third is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the second point, and so on. First one is 1 centimeter. Second one is 2 centimeter from the first point. Next one is 3 centimeter from the previous point, right or wrong? Means next one is 4. You have to get total is how much here? 36. Observe the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 means these are all natural numbers, right? First you have to get how many cuts. Okay, 1, this is 3, 6, 10. Total is 36 now. Next one is it 5 means 15. Next one is it 6, 21, 7, 28. 8 means 36. This is what the length, yes or no? Okay, left to right I have made a cut. Now we have to make from the right to left also. Okay, good. So what he is saying is, if the points on ends are not counted, this one is not counted and this one should also be not be counted. Right or wrong? Okay, next. So, not be counted and the common points are counted as 1. Suppose when I mark from here to here, sometimes it may overlap, right? You should not take it as 2 times, only 1 time. Okay. Then what is the number of points? What is the number of points? Do you understand the question? Okay, now let us start it. Here from this point, 1 centimeter, right? Okay, here I am making 1 cut. Okay, I am writing this time down. Already up is completed now. 2 centimeters means 3. Okay, next 3 centimeters means 6. Up to this is 8 now. Okay, now 4 centimeters means 10. Yes or no? 5 centimeter means 15 means on the same point you will get again. Observe. Already it is 10 now. Oh, sorry. Here on the same only you will get. This is 36, this is 21. Means gap is how many? 15. Say yes or no. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now this gap is. If you take 10 plus, now you have to add 5 only, right? Here only, right? This will be counted 2 times or only once? Only once. Okay. Earlier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuts are rather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cuts are there earlier. Yes or no? The last one I left it. Now coming back, this should not be counted again. This should not be counted again. Okay. Now 5 is completed. 6 if I go, 6 means again the same number you will get. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, this is 6 only, na? Yes or no? So it will be. You should not take it. Next cut should be at 7. Now it is 6. 5 is okay. Now 6 is okay, na? Completed, na? Ardhamainda. Is this okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cuts. This should not be counted. Okay, good. You have to cut from the left to right or right to left, both. Now I am cutting from right to left. After 1 centimeter, I made a cut. After 2 centimeters, means this is 1 na? 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. This total is 8. Keep it in your brain. Okay, next 4 centimeters, right? So, sorry, 3 centimeters, right? It will be 6. Then you have to go for 4 centimeters cut. Now observe, this is 6 na, this is 2 points only na. 4 means it will come here, right or wrong? Okay, now 5 centimeters cut you have to make, right? Okay, so this 5 means 15, right? From 36, 15 means exactly on this point, right or wrong? Already you made a cut there, right? You should not cut it, count it second time. Okay, but it will be here. 15. Now you have to make a cut with 6 centimeters, right? Here to your gap is how much? 6. So that means that you need also go with 6 only, right? Means again overlaps. If a cut was made twice, you should count only once, right? And will then count jayala? This should not be counted anymore. Okay, now I have to go for 7 centimeters cut, right? This is 5 centimeters in 2 centimeters. Means here I will make a cut. Okay. So 21 and 28. Now I have to make 8 centimeter cut. 8 centimeters directly goes here, right or wrong? The extreme should not be counted, right? So don't need to count it. Now how many? 1. These two I don't want. 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts I have to make. Total 7 cuts, na? 2 are overlapping, na? So remove. So how many cuts you made totally? 12. What is the answer? Arumena? Okay. On one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at equal distances. Have you done it? Yes or no? What's the distance between two consecutive plants? How much? Sure? Sure? Confident? Consecutive plants? 10. Okay, good. 2 plants means 1 time of distance. Yes or no? If you go with the 3 plants, only 2 times of distance you have to count. How many plants you made? 101. Means 100 distances only you have to verify. Do you understand my point? 100D is equal to 1.01 kilometers means 10 meters. Each plant will be planted at 10 meters or 10.1 meters. Do you understand my point, all of you? If you want to make 2 plants, you need only 1D. 3 plants, 2D. Number of plants -1. Got it? Okay. Now you have to plant 5 plants. Distance will be 5 times is required or only 4 times is required? 4 times. 4 into 10.1. 40.4. So CSAT 2022 question. Most of the students will go with silly mistake. Yes or no? Happily lollipop numbers 1010 by 101. Happily 10 50. Some students, they will come, this is 40. Because to plant 5 plants, they will draw the diagram. Because 5 is a small number, no? And they will go for 40. Both are there. Actually, this question we have to discuss in the next topic. But by mistake, I have given here. Huh? Leda. Okay. Paper 4, huh? Okay, now we will see. Yeah, what is that here? January 1st, 2023. Huh? Okay. 5 into A plus B. Yeah, we can do it easily. Okay. Here, let's go for it. Here, listen carefully. On January 1st, 2023, a person saved 1 rupee. On January 2nd, he saved 2 more than the previous day. Means January 1st, 1. January 2nd, 3 rupees. Right or wrong? 2 more. Okay. And on January 3rd, he saved 2 more than the previous day. Means next day is, and so on. Every day 2 is increasing, right? Okay. So, and at the end of which date was his total savings a perfect square as well as a perfect cube? It should be both square as well as a cube, right or wrong? Here, so it is 1. Already I said perfect square as well as cube means power 6. 1 power 6 means 1. 2 power 6 means 64. Next one is 64. I have to check is it 64 or not. Okay. Here these all are odd numbers, right? You know what is sum of first and odd numbers formula? N square. Already explained now? No? Remember few points. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n terms means n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Squares if I take n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Cubes if I take 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on. Okay. Good. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That is nothing but sum of first and natural numbers whole square. Sum of odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. is equals to n square. Even numbers 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. is equals to n into n plus 1. Okay. Now these are odd numbers, right? You will get n square, right? n square is equal to 64 means n is equal to how much here? Means on the 8th day, right? On January 8th. So B is the answer. Am I clear? No need to write it even. Can I go to the next? You can go with the option verification also. No, I will wait, no problem. Oh, formula you are writing. Good, good. Sorry? Yeah, 8 square, 4 cube. But number of terms means odd numbers only, right? 8 square. So January 8. Next one. Choose the expression 5 into 4 into 3 into, not into, star. Not mega star. Just a star. 1. Star is chosen from plus, minus, into, each at most 2 times. At most 2 times means maximum 2 times. Means 2 less than 2 also. And 1 time also you can use, 0 times also you can use. But not more than 2. What is the smallest non-negative value of the expression? Smallest non-negative. Non-negative means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Smallest you want means 0 if you can get, that is perfect, right or wrong? Try for 0. Is it possible or not? If I write 5 minus 4 minus 3, how much will get here? Minus 2. Okay. Now plus 2 into 1, if I take, it is 2, right? 0. Beyond it is not possible, right? Non-negative smallest number is 0. You got it. So answer is 0. This is CSAT 2024 question. Have any doubt? Yeah. Then why are you always running commentary? Okay. The next one. A into B means A minus B. Sorry, A plus B means A minus B. Means plus is replacing with minus. Minus is replacing with into. Into is replacing with divided by. And divided by is replaced with plus. Now he gave 10 plus 30 minus 100 into 50 divided by 25. So operations are to be replaced simultaneously. Okay. Then what I have to do here? First I have plus. Right? Plus means replaced with minus. Okay. After that I have minus. Minus means into. Next into means divided by. Next one is divided by means plus. First I have to work out it, right? What's the value? 30 into 2 is how much? 60. This answer is 60. 10 minus 60 is minus 50. Minus 50 plus 25 is minus 25. D. With this we have successfully completed this paper. Okay. So in the next session we'll go for the 5th paper, followed by the continuation of it is known as LCM and HCF divisibility rules. Number system. Yes. Even the divisibility rules and LCM HCF also come from the number system only. Any doubts so far, my dear boys and girls? Yeah, this is about today's session. If a paper is difficult, don't think that, oh my God. If a paper is easy, if a question is easy, don't feel that, don't exaggerate. Okay? So, if the questions are difficult, you start enjoying. Why? Because you are learning new concepts. Right or wrong? And most probably I'll give in both the ways, right? Analytical ways as well as conceptual means. So you can learn so much of content. Okay. That analytical way is very much helpful for you in the examination. Why? Because you might not be that much knowledgeable, but still in the examination you can do it, right? So that's why try to achieve it. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session after that. Jai Hind.